Guys, I can't believe we've come this far. In less than a year, 500 of you guys have decided to subscribe and follow my crazy antics when it comes to restoring this 2001 Boxer and my 1967 Porsche 912 with the Type 4 2-liter in the back there. Did not intend for this to be a thing other than for my way to document my restoration of these cars. Remember, go back about 10-15 years ago when I worked for Porsche 9 magazine. That's what I did. So it's kind of in my blood to document when I would buy a car and produce articles for it and get it in the magazine and whatnot. Now it's just video. It's a whole lot different. So now that we've reached this milestone of 500 subscribers, and I know that's a small amount, but it's an amount that I never thought would really happen. Thank you 500 for hitting that subscribe button these last couple months. Thank you so much. I kind of want to change the name of the channel to something besides my name, and a moniker that I've had for a long time has been I Drive a 9, because as we all know, every Porsche starts with the number 9, whether, well, maybe 356s, you know, that's it. But, you know, 911s, 912s, 914s, 924s, 928s, 944s, 968s, 996s, I mean, just 986s, it's all a 9. So, I Drive a 9. So, I'm thinking about changing the name of my channel to I Drive a 9. Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about that as a name for the channel. And also, you've noticed the 986 Brotherhood logo that I've been showing off and on for the last couple episodes. There's a website, and it's at 986brotherhood.com. It's essentially just a website there to help Google find my content. So when you Google how to fix something on your Porsche Boxer, if I have a video for it, it's going to pop up sooner and higher than it would if it was just on YouTube alone. So that's the whole point of that website. But I got some shirts made, and I made some stickers, and I thought, you know what, to celebrate this milestone of 500, and as we make our march up to 1,000 subscribers, which hopefully we can do in the next few months, I went and produced 500 stickers of the logo. And if you want one, they're free. Yep, absolutely free. All you have to do is, and I'll put it down in the description below, my address. Send me an envelope, put a stamp on it, write your address on the envelope, stick that envelope in another envelope, and put my name on it and a stamp and send it to me. And when I get your envelope and these stickers come in, I'll put a sticker in that envelope and I'll ship it back to you. So you can put it on your Boxer, you can put it on your wall, you can put it on your toolbox, whatever you want to do. So I'm doing that for you guys. Just send me a self-addressed stamped envelope, which my younger viewers may be like, the hell is that? But my generation understands what a self-addressed stamped envelope is. So do that for me. I'll give you a free sticker. And I think when we get to 1,000 subscriptions, some other kind of giveaway. I know giveaways are popular on YouTube, and as I start to transition this channel from just a place where I throw up videos to kind of help my fellow Boxer owners and 911, 912 owners into more of something maybe more serious, I want to figure some stuff out. So, first of all, thank you so much if you're one of my 500 subscribers. If you're not, hit that subscribe button down below. Totally awesome if you would. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Let me know about the name of the channel, switching it to I Drive a 9, since I'm looking at adding either a 944 cab to my garage, or I've been kind of kicking around buying another 996 either cab or coupe. It'd be nice to find a 996 Gen 2 Targa, but they're so far and few between, I don't know if I'll be able to find one in condition that I can use for the channel. So, unless you have one. So I think I Drive a 9 represents all of us who enjoy Porsches and own Porsches. It covers all the bases, and as we move forward on this channel and start to build it to take in everything that Porsche has to offer in the past and the future, I think I Drive a 9 is where I'm going. But please comment down below, tell me what you think of that name. Send me a self-addressed stamped envelope to my address down below, and I will send you back one of these stickers when they come in. And again, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching my craziness and my redneck abilities in wrenching all these years, and I'm looking to take this channel maybe to a notch up. So let's see what happens. But again, thank you guys so much. Please like and subscribe, share this video with other friends, share my whole channel with other friends of yours that are Porsche owners, and also, you know, when you're on social media, if a friend of yours or somebody you see on Facebook or whatever has a problem with their Porsche, and I've done a video already on how to fix that issue, send them a link to one of my videos. I'd appreciate that. Alright guys, thank you so much. I'm going to get out of here and enjoy this cigar. Thank you so much for letting me hit 500 subscribers. Looking forward to doing another one of these videos, maybe by the end of the summer, with 1,000 subscribers. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.